We're an organization that is a collaborative and a network that brings together stakeholders across Sussex County in all sectors, private and nonprofit, for the betterment of the community around different initiatives and goals that the community itself sets, and we help them achieve those goals.
The coalition sees the power in partnerships, and they've really been that group that has brought everyone together.
You can see in their eyes, in their hearts, the passion, and they make you feel very welcome.
Here is our need. Let's go to the coalition and see, can you help us with this need? Can you suggest somebody for us to partner with, or can you help us find the best answer for our students?
It's really great to have that fellowship and conversation and collaboration with the other groups.
It was very important to learn what other districts are doing. It helped us to see what we were doing and help us to see what we need to improve.
Access to a healthy meal for very low cost or no cost. The ability to gain some education around that, how to prepare your own meals, and then some health education by partners who were brought in.
Well, the community dinner was something that I had never heard of before, and when I heard the idea of having a community dinner and only charging $1 for a complete meal, it just kind of light bulb went up in my head because I had never heard of such a thing.
It's not about a meal anymore. Now it's about a meal and children reading. It's about a meal and people getting screened for diabetes. It's about a meal and somebody not being alone all week. It's really about a community.
We could join forces around helping to feed the community, for example. We were able to bring resources around food, but the coalition was able to help us to identify where do we place it best in the community and which partners do we work with.
The coalition was able to provide my students with resources to become professional young people and present themselves in proper ways.
They provide services, they give community members an opportunity to become aware of services that are in the community that they may not otherwise have been made aware of.
And with the coalition, because they have partners on both sides, on the eastern, central, and the western side of the county. And by bringing all of us together as a unified leadership group, you've seen a difference.
What it comes down to is it's been good for kids, and I think that's generally one of the missions of the coalition, and I sure know it's the mission of the Woodbridge School District. So if we find something that works for the kids, we're going to continue to use it for them.
We help foster mental health access through 5 school districts. That was a discussion, a collaborative, a best practice brought here. It caught fire because the people in this community are passionate about it. The reality of the situation is a way for us to partner in a meaningful way that makes an impact that the community can identify with, be engaged with, and be part of. We're very interested in you being successful, because if you're successful, the community is more successful.